Apo, pwede makikigtod ko mo din ka, Melvin. Karon karuba data yun. Iti may katlo pa sa programa tayo. Dito yung napod laok-laok na sunsonata. From English, Spanish, Tagalog, Itawish, Latin. Ano pa yan? Latin tanga. Okay, kat Adda dito ay kunan na, hi, I'm back. Basta kablaawang kay amin nga Filipinong Ilocano. God bless, more power. Di programa yo Sir June and Brother John Mark. Thanks from Alda Min3 77 kunan na dito ay chat box iti Mix LR apo. Iti Mix LR kat audio streaming mabalin apo nga manggagan iti siya sinduman nga adito internet lubang basta da internet na apo. So kada kini kakabagyan nyo adi balasyo taaw nga kay chumot apo nga connected kay lata babayan iti musika Ilocano wenno programa nga Iloco KARRUBA kat ibagay ng kanyada nga login da iti Mix LR download that application tapno kasla dala adito matsibay tayo kastang road kat once again, iti for the kiduho apo kat agkaroon iti programa sa Jay Honolulu, Hawaii over KPRP 650 AM kuna na di Jay 10,000 watts dato iso na pigsa kasla kwada ta kasla basta na pigsa magawat na apo ti Interot Hawaii data.
Kung ano interong lubong.
Interong lubong kuha na niti US streaming at iti video na dayjay. Agkaroon di FTT programa dita babaan iti 4 Decade Production Incorporated kan data CEO iti KPRP ni Miss Emmy Anderson. Ayan. Kat iti mo na po nga sonata nga sagot ni kada kayo para iti mawati pasat adat to yan. We're all just merely passing through, knowing what we can do in a lifetime. We have more adventure to take, more than one dream to make in a lifetime. As for me, there's only one dream, and that's to love you, my love, with a love to last a lifetime. We're fools, we'd sometimes do crazy things, and our hearts would take wings like a sparrow. But this life will take each other as it comes, never leaving the crumbs for tomorrow. As for me, all of my days I will spend them all with you, loving you with love to last a lifetime. If we all couldn't leave something lasting behind to be remembered by, just a song from me, and then at least I would have tried. I agree, it's not as much as we have, it's how we use what we have in a lifetime. 30 years is worth 102. It's really what we can do in a lifetime. All my love I would keep for as long as I may live, with a love to last a lifetime.
Every time our eyes meet, this feeling inside me is almost more than I can take. you love me, and it just blows me away. I've never been this close to anyone or anything. I can hear your thoughts, I can see your dreams. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. The smell of your skin, the taste of your kiss, the way you whisper in the dark, your hair all around me, baby, you surround me, touch every place in my heart. Oh, it feels like the first time, every time. I wanna spend the whole night in your eyes. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. Every little thing that you do, I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you.
Ate June, any song? 83 Los Panchos, and especially dedicated to tatay ko na naman ko Felicia. So para kini tatay Felix Ariales nga nahilig iti Spanish song na ito kat na ito lang ti praktisado na kini amag. Actually ato ti mabaling ko kantaan ko magmadi na mga second voicean. Ambok tayo es la historia de un amor. Mura na wano tatay ¿quién será la que me quiera me? ¿Quién será kita? Pero ato lang ti kabisado me iso nga tatay para king ka. Que te pregunto que cuándo, cómo y dónde, tú siempre me respondes quizás, quizás, quizás. Y así pasan los días y yo desesperado y tú contestando quizás, quizás, quizás. Estás perdiendo el tiempo pensando, pensando si pasan los días y yo desesperado y tú contestando, quizás. Siempre que te pregunto que cuándo, cómo y dónde, tú siempre me respondes, quizás. Estás perdiendo el tiempo pensando por lo que más tú quieras. ¿Hasta cuándo? Y así pasan los días y yo desesperado y tú contestando, quizás.
The nights that we're not fighting, could it be that we have been this way before? I know you don't think that I am trying. I know you're wearing thin down to the core, but hold your breath, because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. Change my mind, or I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true, because a girl like you is impossible to find. You're impossible to find. This is not what I intended. I always swore to you I'll never fall apart. You always thought that I was stronger. I may have failed, but I have loved you from the start. Oh, but hold your breath, because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. Change my mind, or I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true, because a girl like you is impossible to find. It's impossible, so breathe and so deep. Breathe me in, yours to keep, and hold on to your words, 'cause time is cheap. Remember me tonight when you're asleep, 'cause tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind, or I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true, because the girl like you is impossible to find. Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind, or I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true, because a girl like you is impossible to find. Impossible to find.
Ngarud, bumasa ka balong, kadagiti tutong pahay nga pangablaaw dita, sakbay nga itutuloy tate kumansyon, kat adun dita o dito'y unig iti booth, adang arot ipa promo dati tayo the exemplars, kat sige balong, bumasa ka, tagor ka ta. Ikan tama may basta ti background na. Apa ito kuyog ka? Okay.
Kablawak amin gidumdumeg ti programa yo kastamutten kanya nga mangidada ulo ti programa. Ado nga anglit. More power ti programa yo tay kabagyam J de la Cruz Palak.
Ay, ni
Kuya
J nga palak. Ay, nangatay suwan ito tan.
Data lang.
Suling.
Pabati po sa kaibigan ko na si Sir Kevin at Astrero na nagse-celebrate ng kanyang 20th birthday. God bless her and more birthdays to come from Joshua.
Ano pa eh?
Naimbag nga malam yung manong June kay John Mark nga wan labas na kabla man nitatang kung at dayjay bangkag nga madabang agdengdengag. Iti programa yung manong request ko man jay sonata nga isem agyaman ak manong it's me Elizabeth.
Ayan, dahil sumaron na pong kansyon yung na ipaay kadagiti so amin nga contestant iti the exemplars kan kasama tapo kadagiti agratuar itatangatawan talaga mo tapo nga balaygi dayta nalatak nga balaygi no agratuar ka iti may isang kurso wenno high school wenno elementary adda sa baliman ngayon apong pasat iti biyag mo nga malukatan ngarod kun ada ti sonata lagi pumto wenno maligip nagto in a certain place kasi nga rod di linabag na. From Michael Jackson or the Jackson 5